Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable link previews on WhatsApp. So let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Tap on the settings option from the bottom right corner of your screen. Go to the privacy settings. Scroll down and tap on the advanced option. Here, you can find the disable link previews option. Simply tap on the toggle switch right beside the disable link previews option and turn it on. And this is how you can disable link previews on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.